Hi guys! In today's tutorial, we will create a creative intro that combines graphics and text. This editing approach can be applied to many of your videos. Well, without further ado, let's get the video started. First, let's create a circular opening effect. Launch VideoProc Vlogger and create a new project. Find text icon in the toolbar and click on it. Then go to the inspector and delete the text content. Next, find the camera icon above the preview window and click on it to generate a pure black image. Then go back to your main interface and click on this button and change your background color to white. Click Done to apply the adjustment. Click the camera icon again to generate a pure white image. Import these two images along with the prepared image assets into the software. Then drag them onto the video track with the black image in front and the white image behind. Adjust the duration. Once done, open the Transitions panel on the top left corner. Find the clock wipe transition and drag it between the two images. Adjust the duration. Now we have this effect. Next, click on the plus icon on the far left of the overlay track to add a new overlay track. Drag the pure black image and city asset onto the two overlay tracks respectively. Adjust their durations to align with the end time of the video track. Now we have this preview. Finally, open the Effect panel on the top left corner. Find a circular mask and drag it onto the effect track. Adjust the duration. Let's preview it. Well, this is not what I want, but don't worry. We go to the inspector, uncheck canvas, and apply it to these assets. Then adjust the radius and the gradient parameters. And that's it. Move the playhead to the appropriate position. Click the text icon. Adjust the duration to align with these image assets. Go to the inspector and add the text content. Choose a suitable font style. Adjust the text size and position it within the circular shape we created earlier in the preview window. Scroll down and remove the shadow. Add an appear animation like a fade in. Adjust the slider as desired. Now it's done. Next, drag the city asset onto the video track once again. Choose a suitable transition effect from the Transitions panel and drag it onto the timeline for smooth transition. Then, at this point, add another text. Enter the unique slogan or desired message. Apart from basic editing, you can also edit the colors of different words to enhance a phyllo effect. Now move the playhead to this frame. Disable the eye icon on the overlay track 1 where the city asset is located, and then click the camera icon to take a snapshot. We have this image now. Import it and drag the snapshot onto the overlay track. Adjust the duration. In the inspector, click on Height to make it fit to the screen. Then scroll down to the compositing area and choose the screen blur mode to blend it perfectly with the city asset. Once done, find the motion icon in the toolbar. Let's add a sliding animation to it. Click on the first frame and add a keyframe. Adjust the size box to cover the entire frame. Then move the playhead forward and click Add keyframe again. Move the size box to the right. Continue moving forward and generate another keyframe. Move the size box a little bit to the right. Move the playhead forward again and click Add keyframe. This time, adjust the size box to move a little bit to the left. For the next fifth keyframe, we move the size box a little bit to the right again. Be careful not to move it too far. This will create a bouncing effect. Move the playhead to the last frame. Click Add keyframe to maintain the final dynamic effect. Let's preview it. Well, looks good. Click Apply to go back to your main interface. Finally, all we need is to import a suitable sound effect and drag it onto the audio track to match your visuals. Now we have a perfect creative intro. Alright, that's it for today's video, and you can try it out in your own videos. And be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet, and we will see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy!